What is up, guys, and welcome back to another day here at Whitley Auto Works. Today we're jumping right back into our Rustoleum custom mix series where we pick cool pearls, flakes, even candy sometime. We shoot them over top of Rustoleum colors to create new interesting color combinations that you guys get to rate 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5 is the greatest thing you've ever seen. And today I've got an awesome one for you. Tsunami Ultrashift from Eye Candy Pigments. A really cool Ultrashift pearl that's going to shift from green dominance to who knows what, and we really won't know till we get it on this fender. But first we got to base it in gloss black Rustoleum. Black is the go-to color for all Ultrashift pearls, so we're going to get that on the fender first, and then we'll jump into some really cool Tsunami Eye Candy Ultrashift pearl. Let's get into today's video. Alright guys, so we got our gloss black down like always, and now it's time for Tsunami Ultrashift. Been kind of waiting for this one. This is a really popular one, and a lot of people were asking for it. I think because it has a really cool green to blue shift. But yeah, as far as pigment load and everything today's, well, unfortunately, I don't really have much of it. I only have a little bag of it, so I'm going to just kind of drizzle some into this mix. And we're going to go for it today, guys. I'm feeling a little froggy. So that's about, I don't know, half the bag. It's a 1 gram bag, so about half a gram into 5 ounces total of clear. It's 4-to-1 clear today. 4 parts clear, 1 part medium activator. Probably going to switch over to some fast activator because it's a little bit on the cold side. And yeah, that's going to be what we're going to do. So I'm going to mix this up real quick, and I'm going to bring you guys in close so you can see the mix. Alright guys, so this is Tsunami Ultrashift. Right away you can already see greens and blues. And then I get to mixing it. Whoa. Alright. Yeah, it's like seaweed, but on speed. Woo, look at them colors. That looks really cool, guys. This green to blue shift is going to be crazy out in the sun. I can't wait to see it. So anyways, without further ado, let's get to mixing this up really good. Let's set up our new shampoo gun with some of this crazy Tsunami Ultrashift, and let's get to spraying. Alright guys, so I got my paint gun loaded up with some of the Tsunami Ultrashift from Eye Candy Pigments. This is my new shampoo paint gun. It's a 1.3 tip. I still shoot a 28 PSI wide open trigger. If you decide to replicate my settings, feel free to. We'll do a light coat first, make sure I don't get no reactions, and then 2 or 3 follow-up coats. 3 coats seems to be the sweet spot for Ultrashifts, so that's what I'm shooting for. I'm going to put my mask on, let's get to spraying, and then we'll take this thing out in the sun and see what we got. Alright guys, so Tsunami Ultrashift. Man, if this doesn't look like a coral reef, I don't know what does. The blues to light blues to purples to greens to... Man, this is crazy. If you love greens and blues and all that flip-flopping, man, this is a color for you. What do you guys think? Alright guys, so here's the spray out for today. Tsunami Ultrashift by Eye Candy Pigments over top of Gloss Black. Man, if you love green to blues, if you love just that aqua color shift, that really beachy tropical look, man, Tsunami Ultrashift is a great pearl. I really like it. I wish I had got more out in the sun, but it's winter time around here. That's just the way it is this year. I try to get some good beauty shots with my spotlight and everything else so you guys can really see the shift. And I think I did all right. So all in all, guys, it ain't up to me, though. It's up to you guys. Rate it 1 through 5. 1, you don't really care for it. 5, it's the greatest thing that you ever seen. And where can you buy Tsunami Ultrashift? Well, I'm an affiliate with Eye Candy, so I can get you guys a discount. Links will be in the description. And at checkout, you enter WAW Shop while shop or WAW Candy while candy, and you'll get a discount and be on the way to help the channel out, too. Also, if you like that finished one clear I used today, hey, links will be in the description for that too. As seen on YouTube, click that, takes you to my Amazon store, and you can purchase anything I use on the channel there. We do get a small kickback, but it costs you guys nothing extra, and you get all the benefits of Amazon Prime. And yeah, well, this was a pretty crazy one today, guys, but I really like this. And yeah, I appreciate you for sticking with me. If you made it this far in the video, please hit that subscribe button. Ring that bell notification so you don't miss one of these crazy spray outs. We're doing them all the time. We got a truck getting painted right now. That's going to be really cool when we get it done. And yeah, tons and tons on the way for Whitley Auto Works, so you're not going to want to miss a minute. I appreciate you guys for watching today. I'm John from Whitley Auto Works. Hope you guys have a great day. God bless, and I'll see you guys on the next spray out.